unlocked access to Income Team X. With that one simple click, you've already knocked out 99% of what's needed to start seeing hands-free money hit your account daily, effortlessly. Now that you've unlocked access to Income Team X, it's all set to start delivering daily payouts. Real legit cash funneled directly into your bank account or PayPal without you lifting a finger. We're talking anywhere between $195 and $432 landing in your pocket each day. No hype, just facts. Our Income Team X earning software is about to calculate your exact earnings, and it all depends on how quick your internet connection is. Whether you're rocking high-speed fiber or still limping along with that outdated DSL you've been meaning to replace. The last 25 folks who stayed plugged in for just over a month have walked away with an average of $15,682 each. And that's serious money. But here's the deal. The biggest earners have been in the game longer. Income Team X pays out as it runs, consistently and in real time. So don't expect a jackpot to drop into your lap overnight like some kind of fantasy. Meet Candace, 36, from Columbus, Ohio. She's been connected to Income Team X for 61 straight days, making the most of coffee shop Wi-Fi and cozy rainy afternoons at home. So far, she's pulled in just over $24,000, enough to renovate her kitchen and still stash some cash for later. Then you've got Jake and Abby, newcomers who joined just 5 and 8 days ago. Jake's already banked $3,600 and Abby's sitting on $5,800.23. He's scouting contractors to redo his roof while she's planning a much needed all expenses paid girls trip. Not bad for barely doing anything, right? You'd probably agree. That's a solid chunk of change for almost zero effort. Here's the best part. Every one of these people got the money rolling in with just one insanely easy step. They clicked to secure their spot with Income Team X. Nothing more, one tap, and the cash started showing. And you're just minutes away from doing the exact same thing. So hang tight. But wait a second, I get it. This might sound like something ripped from a sci-fi flick, popping up out of the blue. I've been burned before too, falling for those shady get-rich-quick overnight scams that do nothing but drain your wallet and leave you frustrated. So yeah, I wouldn't blame you for being a little skeptical. Let me give it to you straight and show you exactly where this money's coming from. No filler, just facts. My name is Brad Wilksford. I've been in the internet game since 2008 and I've made serious money online. Hundreds of thousands, from late night grind sessions to a few lucky breaks. I'm not hiding anything. Take a look at one of my bank accounts. It's just one of several I've got going. That big balance